Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Jayyduty here. If you an entrepreneur and you dealing with a breakup, don't panic. It's okay. You think she can find another entrepreneur who want to pursue social media? Nigga, that's where. That is where. That is where. Don't panic. Understand that she's not going to find another you. Bro, you an entrepreneur. You do realize that, right? That means you think outside the box and you actually pursuing it every single day. But I ain't gonna lie to you, my nigga. After I dealt with my breakup, right? I had to come to a realization like, Jay, bruh, you made approximately 1,200 videos on this channel. And you kept it going no matter what. Even after what she said, even after what she did, even after what you did, and your mistakes that you implemented, you kept it going. Bro, you a full-time content creator. She's not going to find another you, dog. You can't find content creators everywhere. That's just not possible. You can't find another Twitch streaming ass nigga. It's impossible. Where's she going to find another Twitch streaming ass nigga at? Where's she going to find one of those at, dog? Where's she going to find another drop shipper? Where's she going to find another day trader? Who actually consistent? Who actually think, bro, where's she gonna find another nigga like you at, bro? She ain't finding none of that, dog. That's why you gotta move on and let your dreams manifest. Cause you will never find another nigga like me who wanna pursue entrepreneur and not go to sleep. Bro, it's niggas who sleep 8 hours a day. She ain't gonna never find another nigga who will literally miss out on sleep because they want to be successful. Hell nah. Nigga, that's why you have to move on, because she'll never find another you. She'll never find another rapper. It's not rappers everywhere. Yes, it is, Shay. No, it's not. Tell people what they want to do in life. It's going to be the same thing that what everybody else want to do. Everybody following everybody else. It's hard to find an entrepreneur. It is. It's hard. When I was in school, everybody didn't want to pursue entrepreneur. Everybody ain't want to pursue entrepreneurship. It was at least 2-3 motherfuckers in that school building out of thousands of people who want to pursue, who thought outside the box. Not everybody think outside the box, dog. Everybody do what they been taught. Go to school, finish college, go get a job, and work for that job for 60 years just to end up still poor. You have to understand, my nigga, you are different. Nigga, you are different. She ain't finding another you. Point blank, period. If you an entrepreneur, she ain't finding another you. Point blank, period. She can't replace you. Not every man think outside the box, dog. It's man out there who consume. It's man out there who would rather sit on the game all day. It's man out there who would rather live under her. Nigga, you don't even go to sleep, nigga. And you probably do work 2 jobs. You probably do work a job. 12-hour shifts and everything. Nigga, I work at McDonald's 4 to 1. Look what I'm doing. Still not sleep. Nigga, I can't go to sleep. Nigga, I want to be a fucking millionaire. I don't want to go to sleep. How do y'all go to sleep at night? How? Tell me where they do that at. Show me how to do it. I want to go to sleep, bro. I want to go to sleep, bro. But something keep waking me up like, Jay, you got to make these videos. Jay, you got to make these thumbnails. Jay, you got to keep thinking rich. I want to be rich so bad. I don't sleep. I really don't, y'all. Like, I go to sleep every night at like 7 o'clock in the morning. It's bad for my sleep schedule because I'll be at work tired. I just don't want to die trying. Or I don't want to die poor. I don't want to die being poor, bro. Hell nah. I'm gonna be a fucking millionaire. Bro, that vision gonna stay within me for the rest of my life. I'm gonna always believe that I can be, bro, I can be a fucking millionaire, bro. I can be a millionaire, nigga, wait. Nigga, wait. I'm gonna be a millionaire. This is what it is. That's what's gonna happen. I swear to God, that's gonna happen. Oh, Jay, keep going. Just keep going. Keep going. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna. Oh, nigga. Oh, you gotta look delusional. You gotta think delusional. You gotta move delusional. Your dreams to make somebody feel insecure about themselves. You tell your big dream to a small-minded person, I bet you they gonna shut it down. You have to think delusional. Think outside the box. Think delusional. She can't replace another man like you. You know why? Because not every man thinks delusional. Keep thinking delusional, bro. That's why I don't care about people when they leave my life. I don't care when people leave my life. I don't even care when I leave other people's life. I won't even trust me either. Because who I am right now, I might not be like this forever. Tomorrow or in the future or in the next year. I'm not going to be like this. I won't even trust me. I won't even trust me either. Like, if you plan on being friends with me, my nigga, I'm probably, bro, my nigga, we gonna probably be friends for the now. But as soon as I get some, bro, as soon as I find out what I want to do in life and I go pursue it, I'm so focused on that. I don't care about how we was kicking it back in high school. I don't care about none of that shit, bro. I'm so focused on millions, bro. I put my mind to it every single day. I'm so focused on millions, bro. That's all I focus on. That's the only thing that come to my head, bro. I'm gonna be a millionaire, bro. I'm gonna be a millionaire, bro. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, bro. I promise you, bro. Like, it's gonna happen. And it's gonna happen for you too. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.